last minute makeup YouTube video. Honestly, today is Halloween. Happy Halloween, guys. I just want to share some YouTube, like some makeup videos for you guys. Although I'm staying in a country that didn't celebrate Halloween, but yeah, we're gonna do what we can do. So second of all, we're gonna clip our hair. So we're gonna move on to our eye. So we're gonna put an orange color. So as you can see, there's nothing on my eye crease right now. So I'm gonna put it we have lots of palette color, but for today I'm just gonna choose an orange. But yeah, try to blend it well, guys. And I'm gonna go lower down here with different brushes. So for the lower part of the eye, we're gonna apply a little bit of brown color. I think we'll go for this one. So yeah, we're gonna go for this one, and we're just gonna try. Make sure you have to blend it up. We are going to move on to a darker color. This black color. Make sure it's blended in. And moving on to another side of the eye. And then I just have to blend everything. As you guys can see, it started to look very weird. So we want to blend it under the eye nicely and wisely. Yeah, I think we're gonna work on our under eye as well. So you really wanted to create the combination between two lines. We're gonna try to draw our eyebrow. As you guys can see, I'm not really having any eyebrow at the moment, just because I don't really like to have an eyebrow thing. So we are going to try to shape our eyebrow. We have to brush it on first, and we're gonna shape it out. So same goes toward the other eyebrow. Make sure you know where the starting point. So we are not done yet with the eye, but we're gonna concentrate on the face right now. So we still need our orange patch. So I'm gonna start off with a light orange in some area. I'm gonna here. I might do it in the wrong place. Just gonna erase that. And then we're gonna go. And another would be here. my god, the music is pretty loud. We're gonna come to here. Working on my nose right now because we're gonna draw a line around it. So just go lightly, and then we have to take a sparkle things and then just go around it. We are going to take our eyeliner and just draw around it. And we're gonna draw a line between the teardrop. And we are gonna apply a lipstick using a matte lipstick. So I'm just gonna apply to it through my lips. And the bottom part. And for the main part, we're gonna go for a darker red. So we're just gonna draw for it. So we've done that. So my line not really straight, but we're gonna fix that. And then we are gonna like straight line through it. So as you guys can see, we're gonna continue to it. We're gonna go white on some part of the places, so you have to be careful with this. I'm gonna go white on here, like so, and I think I'm gonna go all the way from here. So we've done that, and we are not gonna do here, but we're gonna focus on our nose here. So as you guys can see, I did a little bit of white there, and the top part. And a little bit of white dart putting on some black dot line around our orange patch, like so. So we are gonna do this with the whole orange patch part. The patch might be a little bit small for the camera, but I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. But try to put it as natural as it is. You really want to be gentle through the process, because as you guys can see, the eyelashes are pretty heavy, isn't it? So we're gonna let it dry for a short period of time. So we are pretty much done with our makeup. Oh wow, there's a awesome smell coming out of nowhere. We're gonna continue with our bottom lashes. I think I have to apply mascara for it. Mascara wasn't making it any obvious, isn't it? So we're gonna apply our bottom lashes, like so. We're gonna apply in the middle. As you guys can see, and at the moment I am working on my bottom lashes. So we are done with the look, and we're gonna curl our hair and change the entire outfit. We're back. We're gonna curl our hair. And we are all set. So as you guys can see, we are pretty much done.
The deadly nightshade you slipped me wore off, Sally.
Let go!
You're not ready for so much excitement.
Yes, I am.
We are pretty much done, and I add on some accessories for the finishing look, and here we are. But I'm pretty satisfied with this look, and I'll see you guys in my next video.